Hey everybody, James at Pot Metal Repair. So what we have here is a classic Bertram boat nameplate, and the customer sent us over a set of these to a boat that he's having restored, and he wanted us to clean these pits up and everything, but we stripped the plating off of this, the first one. The surface decay was far worse than anticipated. So what we did is decided to create a brand new set. So we brought this into CAD, a photo that is, and drafted over the top of it and developed this print and printed out on a 10-inch 3D resin printer and castable resin. Once we got this done and we knew that we had a pretty good pattern for the casting, we dipped it about 10-12 times and we burned it out, poured the metal to it, and this is the end result. This casting turned out absolutely beautiful. Even the finest details were not left undone, and it just turned out so good. And we're very proud of this. If you have any questions regarding a casting or emblems that you would like done, please feel free to give us a call at 707-621-5052, or you can contact us via email through james@potmetal.repair. And one thing I'd like to mention, you can also text us at that same number with photos. We usually will respond within 5 to 10 minutes. We're pretty quick with email too as well. So anyhow, if you have any questions, like I said, please feel free to give us a call. Other than that, we really appreciate all the likes and comments. And again, hope that you have a blessed day, and we'll talk to you soon.